41,000 are women candidates. And that is why tunasema tunawahimiza kabisa. Na mwisho, kwa sababu leo ni siku ya wamama, nilikuwa naambia Mheshimiwa Ichungwah na Mheshimiwa Cheruiyot kwamba leo ni siku ya wamama. Lakini kwa sababu saa zingine wanakuanga pia na umama, tukawaalika wakuje kwa mkutano. Hawa ni viongozi wazuri ambao wanathamini chama chetu. Mheshimiwa Rais, Mheshimiwa Naibu wa Rais, itakuwa makosa sana kama nitamaliza kuongea and I have not acknowledged the people who laid foundation for this party. Wengine wetu, ukweli wa maneno, mimi sikuanzisha chama cha UDA. Mimi nilikuwa kule ANC. Lakini tuko na waanzilishi, wale watu wa...
Aje pole.
Simu itatuzuia hapo. Ama unachukua tu sahihi. Simu itatuzuia.
Haya.
Kidogo tuingie kwenye mkeka. Frida, tafadhali tusonge kidogo tuingie kwenye mkeka. Tusonge zaidi ili tuweze kuingia kwenye mkeka jamani, tafadhali naomba.
Saidia huyu. Huyu ni mtu wangu, msaidie tafadhali. Saidia yeye. Saidia yeye. Ama niende huku? Acha niende huku. Sorry. Nimekosa kamera leo. Sasa.
I actually wrote it myself.
Are you serious?
Yes, myself.
You should have clarified. There are governors who are able. We are all thinking.
What have we done?
Yeah. Some of us, we are complying.
Yes. 41,000 are women candidates. And that is why tunasema tunawahimiza kabisa. Na mwisho, kwa sababu leo ni siku ya wamama, nilikuwa naambia Mheshimiwa Ichungwah na Mheshimiwa Cheruiyot kwamba leo ni siku ya wamama. Lakini kwa sababu saa zingine wanakuanga pia na umama, tukawaalika wakuje kwa mkutano. Hawa ni viongozi wazuri ambao wanathamini chama chetu. Mheshimiwa Rais, Mheshimiwa Naibu wa Rais, itakuwa makosa sana kama nitamaliza kuongea and I have not acknowledged the people who laid foundation for this party. Wengine wetu, ukweli wa maneno, mimi sikuanzisha chama cha UDA. Mimi nilikuwa kule ANC. Lakini tuko na waanzilishi, wale watu walieka nguzo katika chama hiki. Ni lazima waheshimike. The first Secretary General of this party was a woman, and we must celebrate her today. I am here to acknowledge and celebrate Senator Veronica Maina as a strong foundation of this party. Na Mheshimiwa Veronica, unafanya kazi mzuri kule kwenye Senate, unaniongoza vizuri. I am not a perfect being. Saa zingine nateleza kidogo. Ni yeye ananionyesha barabara polepole, and I must say thank you for Senator Veronica Maina. Sasa kabla tuendelee, ningependa kumuita Veronica Maina atuongeleshe kama founder SG wa chama cha UDA.
God is good, and all the time, good. And that's his nature. Wow. Your Excellency, the Deputy President of the Republic of Kenya, Rigathi Gachagua, Your Excellency, the Chair of Governors, Your Excellency, the Chair of the UDA Party, Governor Cecil Barire, Secretary General of the UDA Party, Cleopas Malala, Honorable Members of Parliament, Honorable Senators, our Majority Leader in Senate, Aaron Cheruiyot, Majority Leader in National Assembly, Kimani Ichungwah, all the MCAs, all nominated MCAs, all delegates, I just want to pay a special salute to your... Please wapiga makofi. Asante sana, you may have your seats. We especially recognize you today because the UDA win would not have been possible without your dedication. Your Excellency, the robust membership recruitment that was done by these women with their own resources, their own time, their own effort, their own tears, is the one that brought success to the UDA party and to the President of the Republic of Kenya. Your Excellency, this is a special group today here. Women hardly ever get a proper voice because wanawake wakikutana hivi, kuna watu wanafikiria women want to become men. I want us to tell the world today, do you want to become men? No. Oh, now we have had it. Women do not want to become men. Women only want to be involved, engaged, and allowed around the table. And Your Excellency, for a long time, women have done simple jobs and they are very humble. If you ask them to sweep, they sweep. If you ask them to cook, they cook. If you ask them to give birth to beautiful children they do. Whatever you ask a woman, they will obediently do it. If you give them a farm, they return a produce from that farm. Your Excellency, the fact that women do those humble jobs does not mean they do not have capacity for leadership and governance. And I want to present to you the leaders of today and tomorrow. They are seated right here, Your Excellency, and I stand with them. And I want to assure you, the foundation we laid at the UDA party mainstreamed gender within the Constitution. His Excellency, the President of the Republic of Kenya, signed a women's charter with all the women of Republic of Kenya and committed to give 50% of cabinet to women. Has he not done so? Can we give him a salute wherever he is? Your Excellency, today is an affirmation from the UDA party by the SG and the officials and the party leader that, Your Excellency, women have space within the UDA party. And we are happy that that space will not only be spoken, but it will be a reality for women. So later in the day, we will be having proposals on how we can make the constitution of UDA party better for women. We are looking for gender parity, and we will bring value to the table. I do not want to speak much, but allow me, Your Excellency, in the presence of my sisters here, to thank you most profoundly for giving me a chance as a former Secretary General of UDA, the inaugural Secretary General, to serve you at the Senate. And I want to commit before these women, I will always represent your interests as a woman senator. I will represent them everywhere until every woman smiles. And I want to say this, Your Excellency, every strong candidate during the nomination process who was a woman was not denied a ticket. That is why we have governors who are women. That is why we have women elected as senators and single constituencies. And we'll continue with that push. I will not take any more time, but I want to assure you of my love, support, and commitment. Together, we continue to push until the girls who are home and the women who are in mashinani, they will know that they have representatives at the top. God bless you. Na mbarikiwe sana. Allow me now to take an opportunity to invite some of our brand ambassadors. We have 2 majority leaders who support women in both parliaments. They support us at National Assembly and they support us at Senate. And I want to invite National Assembly Majority Leader, Honorable Ichungwah, to come and address this congregation.
Asante. Asante.